In today's video, I introduce BONOSS Porsche lightweight plus wheel spacers for Porsche. A wheel spacer safe for Porsche Cayenne. These Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers are made of steel or aluminum, installed between the hub assembly and the wheel. Pushing the wheels out to increase the distance between the hub assembly and the wheel. As long as you use high-quality Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers and install them correctly, the wheel spacers are very safe. Compared with others, the hollow-out design of BONOSS Porsche lightweight plus wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. BONOSS Porsche lightweight plus wheel spacers is more than 30% lighter than the previous generation product. This BONOSS Porsche lightweight plus wheel spacers for Porsche Cayenne will surely improve performance positively. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption, improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. With these Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers, there is nothing that physically stops the size of the modification. When choosing quality wheel spacer for performance upgrades, aluminum types come as a priority. BONOSS Porsche lightweight plus Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers are made of Porsche 6061 T6 and 7075 T6 aluminum alloy. BONOSS extended wheel bolts applied Porsche SCM 4.0 alloy steel. The forging process provides great fatigue strength and tensile strength, hard and high temperature resistance. They have been fully SGS UV ISO standard certified, 2 million times limited life range test without damage. Besides, BONOSS extended wheel bolts are designed with floating seats. The floating seats are replaceable, which allows for a perfect fit on any wheel. There are many available in two options depending on lugboat size: conical seat and boat seat. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS Porsche Cayenne wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.